party?
Yes, I am.
Are you coming to the party?
Yes, I am.
Is this your book?
No, it's not mine.
Is this your book?
No, it's not mine.
Are they going to the beach?
Yes, they are.
Are they going to the beach?
Yes, they are.
Am I late for the meeting?
No, you're right on time.
Am I late for the meeting?
No, you're right on time.
Is it raining outside?
Yes, it is.
Is it raining outside?
Yes, it is.
Am I late for the meeting?
No, you're not.
Am I late for the meeting?
No, you're not.
Am I the only one here?
No, there are others.
Am I the only one here?
No, there are others.
Are you feeling better today?
Yes, I am.
Are you feeling better today?
Yes, I am.
Is she your sister?
No, she's my cousin.
Is she your sister?
No, she's my cousin.
Am I doing it correctly?
Yes, you are.
Am I doing it correctly?
Yes, you are.
Are we going to the beach tomorrow?
No, we're not.
Are we going to the beach tomorrow?
No, we're not.
Is that your dog?
Yes, it is my pet.
Is that your dog?
Yes, it is my pet.
Hello, what is your name? Do you understand? What do you do for work? Do you have any siblings? Where are you from? How old are you? Are you married? What day is it today? Can you help me? What are your hobbies? Would you like some tea? What time is it? Do you like to travel?
Practice English with me. क्या मैं आपका नाम जान सकती हूँ? May I know your name? May I know your name? मेरा नाम प्रिया है. My name is Priya. My name is Priya. आप कहाँ रहते हो? Where do you live? Where do you live? मैं मुंबई में रहती हूँ. I live in Mumbai. I live in Mumbai. आप यहाँ क्या करते हो? What do you do here? What do you do here? मैं यहाँ काम करता हूँ. I work here. I work here. आपकी क्या जॉब है? What is your job? What is your job? मैं बैंक में काम करता हूँ. या आप बोल सकते हैं मैं बैंक में काम करती हूँ. I work in a bank. I work in a bank. आप ये काम कब से कर रहे हो? How long have you been doing this job? How long have you been doing this job? मैं इस क्षेत्र में 3 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ. I have been working in this field for 3 years. I have been working in this field for 3 years.
Sit. It's 3 p.m. What did you have for breakfast? I had toast and coffee. What do you like about your job? I enjoy creating solutions for complex problems. What kind of music do you listen to? I like listening to classical music. What is the weather like today? It's sunny and warm. What do you usually do in your free time? I usually work on my YouTube channel and read books. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is salad. What kind of books do you like? I like reading mystery and fantasy novels. What do you do on weekends? I usually relax at home and spend time with my family. What time do you wake up in the morning? I wake up at 6:30 a.m. What do you like to watch on TV? I enjoy watching documentaries and comedies. What do you like to do in your spare time? I like to go for a walk. What is your favorite season? My favorite season is spring. What kind of pets do you have? I have a dog and a cat. What is your dream vacation destination? My dream vacation destination is Australia. What do you usually eat for lunch? I usually have a salad and some fruit for lunch. What sports do you like to play? I like to play badminton and tennis. What is your favorite dessert? My favorite dessert is chocolate cake. What time do you go to bed? I usually go to bed at 10 p.m. What is your favorite subject in school? My favorite subject was mathematics. What do you usually do after work? I usually relax and spend time with my family. What did you do last weekend? I went to a park and had a picnic with.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
What's your name?
My name is John.
Where are you from?
I'm from America.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy music, such as playing the guitar.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have 2 sisters.
What do you usually do in the morning?
I usually go to the park for jogging or exercising.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is fish and chips.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny.
What time is it?
It's 9 o'clock.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a student.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak French.
What is your favorite movie?
My